Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I am looking forward to sharing a banana recipe with you. Actually, it's going to be banana bread with banana and some walnuts, and for added flavor, I have cinnamon and nutmeg. To really help with the baking in and of itself, we have a gluten-free flour, baking powder, baking soda, and the apple cider vinegar to help the bread rise. For more flavor, a little bit of vanilla. To hold everything together, we have coconut oil. And for some really nice sweetness, we have coconut palm sugar, which has a really nice caramel flavor. And as always, in all of my cooking, a little bit of sea salt. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I look forward to sharing this banana bread recipe with you. For the banana bread recipe, we have some really ripe bananas, walnuts, which are always nice to pair with banana bread. For flavor and aromatherapy, I'll be hand grinding some cinnamon sticks along with some nutmeg. And over here we have really all of the ingredients that are going to go into the bread itself. So we have some gluten-free flour, our baking powder and baking soda, Bragg's apple cider vinegar, the coconut palm sugar, which will add really nice sweetness, coconut oil, vanilla, and a little bit of sea salt. So now all of the ingredients are pre-prepped to make the banana bread nice and organized, our mise en place, having everything into place before we start cooking. And over here I have what is going to become the wet ingredients, starting with the bananas. And I can tell you the aromatherapy is incredible. I can smell the bananas, I can actually smell the vanilla. Right here we have the dry ingredients, the flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, and the salt. And over here are extra flavors, the walnuts, the cinnamon, and the nutmeg. So I'm going to begin baking, and I'm going to show you the process. And I hope you all enjoy making this banana cake this week. It is going to be absolutely delicious. For our wet ingredients, we have the bananas, the coconut oil, the palm sugar, which is actually the nectar from the coconut palm tree flower. We have the vanilla and the apple cider vinegar. For the wet part of the banana bread, I'm going to blend the bananas first in the food processor, add the coconut oil, and then I'll be adding in the coconut sugar, the vinegar, and the vanilla. The banana mixture is ready, and I do have to say it still has that great aromatherapy. I have all the ingredients for the dry mixture set, so they are all going to go into a large bowl. I'll combine those. After they're all mixed together, I'm going to add in the banana mixture, stir it until it's nice and smooth, fold in the walnuts, and then we're going to place the batter right into a pan, and then we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 40-45 minutes. The banana bread is now going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. I just took the banana bread out of the oven, and I do have to say it's smelling really good. And what you do to test it, you put a toothpick right into the bread, and if you pull it out and it is dry, that means it's ready. And I also made a little mini banana bread with some of the extra dough. I have some edible flowers and dehydrated citrus, and I'm getting ready to plate this banana bread and then enjoy it. And here's the beautiful banana bread, simple to make, gluten-free, simple and delicious. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. I hope you all enjoy creating your own banana bread and enjoy it with your family. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I am really happy to share with you the banana bread. It is so tasty, so delicious, and even better than that, I think, is the aromatherapy of creating this. So enjoy making your banana bread. Garnish it with a few edible flowers if you have those, maybe a little bit of citrus. So enjoy making your banana bread with all those extra bananas you might have in your house. And yeah, enjoy cooking with your family this week. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition.